Hello, welcome back to the another video of our Java programming series. This is the fourth tutorial of our Java programming series. In the last video, we have installed our Java software, and now in this video we will talk about what is a JVM, what is a JRE, and Java commands. So let's start. I will open my PDF. So here will be a what is JVM. What's a JVM? JVM is a Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java program as well as program write in languages, in other languages. The Java virtual machine is an abstract computing machine or a virtual machine interface that drives the Java code. When we talk about the Java application or a Java program, then it works only on those machines which have JVM. It will not work without JVM. If you are download your Java software, then JDK provides us JVM and JRE. When we compile a Java program, then bytecode is generated. The bytecode is the source code that can be run to any platform. When you write a Java program, then after you compile using a Java C, then Java C will be generate over bytecode. Then the bytecode, also called as source code, used for the run to any other platform. Like Java works can be explained in the following manners, like reading the bytecode, verifying the bytecode, and link the code with the library. This is the diagram of JVM, Java Runtime Environment. This is a source code, then compile, after compiling our source code, convert to the bytecode, then bytecode loaded in JVM. Then JVM provides us .class file, shows us output. This is a diagram, this is a flow of our JVM, how can work. Now we will talk about JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, which provides an environment at runtime. It is the cause of the implementation of JVM. JRE provides a runtime environment. Once you compile our Java program, that JRE is a source that provides an environment to your program will be a run. The JDK is a set of software tools for the development of Java applications. JDK provides us also JRE and JVM. You need to JRE execute your program, which includes two things like a JVM and Java library. Static means that functions are required at a compile time. Dynamic functions that are required at a runtime, not at a compile time. This is a little bit definition of JRE. Now we will talk about Java commands, and we can say JDK utilities. Java compiler, compile over Java file, compile over your program, convert to the class file. Then Java interpreter, run over .class file. And Java disassembler we use in the Java P that Java architecture archives JRE and Java debugger you can use JDB, and Java documentary use Java docs, and Java web apps execute then use applet waiver. These are the commands and utilities we use in our tutorial. We can deeply explain in further videos, upcoming videos, one by one. So that's for all in today's session. If you are really enjoy with me, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.